Hello everybody, welcome to another video. I am glad you are here today. Today we'll be discussing 3 secret hacks so you can avoid ad fatigue with your real estate Facebook ads. Stay tuned. My name is Emiliano. Thank you for being here today. And today, again, we're going to be discussing 3 secret ways to avoid ad fatigue for your real estate ads. Do me a favor, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I upload every week so you won't miss another video, okay? So, what is ad fatigue? If you don't know what ad fatigue is, the name pretty much implies it. Ad fatigue is something that happens when you create an ad and it's running for a good period of time, and then you start seeing the engagement go down. What that means is people are tired, in essence, of seeing your ad. People see the same ad over and over again. After a while, they stop engaging with it. It's kind of like if it's not there. Kind of like when you drive down the highway, going to work, the street, whatever it is, and you see a billboard ad. At first, you see that billboard ad. The first time you see it, you pay attention to it. But once you drive by it 5,500 times, you're not looking at that billboard ad anymore. It's like it doesn't exist. That is ad fatigue. So how do you avoid ad fatigue with your real estate ads? I'll give you 3 hacks. First is something that you probably noticed with your Netflix account. If you ever look at Netflix and you might see the same movie with a different thumbnail. Simply, Netflix changes the ad creative. It engages, draws your attention to a different image. And that entices you to maybe click over and, hey, check out the trailer, for example. Check out the description. Get information on that movie. It engages you with that movie thumbnail, so perhaps you might watch that movie. So it's the same thing with ads. Not everybody is attracted to the same ad creative, the same image, the same video, or even the same headline. They might be attracted to the same lead magnet that you're offering, the end game, which is for them to be your customer, but you have to stop them in their tracks and you have to offer different images and different headlines for different types of customers. So I'm going to show you, that's hack number 1. So for example, you're looking at the screen right now. I have this ad. It's a reach campaign and I have the same targeting. Same targeting. Look right here. This is the ad. It's all under the same ad set. This one right here. Okay. So it's the same ad. I have the same targeting. The only thing that changes is the image. So if I were to go to this ad right here, let me see if I can move this around. If I show you this here, the whole description of the ad is going to be, the ad copy is going to be the same thing if I go here. It's the same ad copy. And then I have a third one here. It's the same ad copy. The only thing that that changes is the video image. Okay? Except not the image, the actual video content. I have 2 of them that are really short videos, and then I have one of them that's actually a really long video. But all I'm looking for is to create awareness and reach of my brand, right? It drives a customer to the same funnel, to the same landing page, and the end game for me is the same thing. I want to have a new lead, okay? The easiest way to do this is when you create an ad, you can simply go here on the 3 dots and hit duplicate. You hit duplicate and boom, your ad is duplicated. Now all you have to do is come up here and change the name and then change the image. If you want, you can change the headline as well. You can try that as well. So 2 things that you want to look at is the image and the headline. Whatever stops the scroll of the customer while they're looking through their Facebook feed, that's what you want to change, okay? So that's hack number 1. So let me get rid of this here actually. Let me go back. So I just created this copy here and I don't need it. So let me, oops, never mind. I'll just delete this ad. There, okay. So that's hack number 1. Hack number 2, create a reach campaign. Sometimes we create conversion campaigns, which is to do sales or to catch an actual lead. But what that happen when we do that, it gives you an audience. Let's say your audience is a whole city. Let's say Orlando, Florida. The whole city is your audience, but your campaign is a conversion campaign. So you're telling Facebook, only show this ad to people who are likely to convert. So depending on their on their engagement on Facebook, Facebook determines who is most likely to become a lead, and it'll show the ad to those specific accounts within your whole audience. So let's say your audience is 180,000. It might only show it to a couple hundred people depending on what your ad spend is, okay? So it's not 180,000 people, it's only a few hundred depending on how much you're spending. So after a while, it shows it to the same people over and over and over again. What you want to try to do every once in a while is create a reach campaign, like an awareness campaign. Give it the reach campaign. If you go here to create a campaign, let me go all the way to the campaign. Go here, create, and you're going to go here, reach. What reach is going to do, see right here, show your ad to the maximum number of people. So it's not looking for conversions, it's just showing your ad, blasting it out there to as many people as possible. That is an option to avoid ad fatigue, to get your campaign out there as much as possible, okay? This one right here is actually a reach campaign that I'm running. So that's hack number 2, create a reach campaign. Hack number 3 is within the reach campaign. At the ad set level, you can go in there and edit something called, I forgot what it's called actually. It's the frequency cap. So if you go here, you can tell Facebook, hey, I only want to show this ad. Right here I have an impression every day, at least once a day. I can show it twice a day, 3 times a day, 4 times a day, or I can say impression once every 7 days. I'll have to go in there and edit it, but is it letting me edit it? Oh, it's not letting me edit it, but right now. But wait, okay, it's because I'm sorry, the campaign is already set. But when you create the ad set, you can come here to the frequency and say, hey, I want to show impression every 2 days, every 3 days, every 5 days. So if you're spending a lot of money on your ads, your ad is going to be shown a lot more. So you can probably say, hey, show the 1 impression every 2 days, or 3 impressions every 2 days. That way, it doesn't get shown to one account, one individual, 5 times in 1 day. That's your frequency cap, and that's available in your reach campaign. So there you go. 3 hacks to avoid ad fatigue. Hack number 1 is create the same ad under the same ad set, but with a different creative. Show a different headline or a different image, different creative. Just keep everything else the same. Hack number 2, create a reach campaign. And hack number 3, adjust the frequency cap. Okay, that will help you avoid ad fatigue. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit like and subscribe. Share this with your friends and family, all your real estate agent buddies. Go to the description and join the Facebook group. And you can also have access to a free training e-course that I created for my Facebook members. See you guys later. Take care.